I'm Patrick O'Connell, Senior Design Director at the Hunter Fan Company, and I'm here to teach you how to choose the perfect bulb for your ceiling fan. There are so many bulb options out there that we're going to make it a little bit easier for you. You used to have to choose between incandescent, LED, CFL, fluorescent, yada, yada, yada. Today, there's really only one option. LED bulbs are the most energy efficient on the market, and their light output has become really good. There's also a lot of socket type choices. Almost every ceiling fan on the market is going to take a medium base or E26 bulb. If you're choosing a bulb for a ceiling fan with clear glass, like the Techni, you're going to want to choose a clear bulb to go in it, just for a cleaner look. If you're choosing a ceiling fan like the Aerodyne that has a white lens that hides the bulb, a white bulb will be just fine. Let's talk about color temperature next. Most bulbs on the market are going to be between about 2700 Kelvin and 6000 Kelvin. Now, 2700 Kelvin is going to mimic incandescent bulbs. It's going to have a nice warm glow, feel a little more traditional. Up at 6000, it's going to be a lot more like daylight, great for tasks like cooking and crafting. Let's talk about light output. Now, there's two ways that bulb packages are going to talk about light output: a wattage equivalent and lumens. Now, wattage equivalent is a reference to incandescent bulbs and how much that wattage used to put out from a light output standpoint. For this video, we're going to talk about lumens. For normal bedrooms, living rooms, you're going to want your total light output to be between 1000 and 2000 lumens. If you have a single socket bulb like the Hepburn, you're going to want a high wattage output bulb that gets you well above 1000 lumens. If you have a 3-light or a 4-light ceiling fan, you're going to want the lumens to add up to between 1000 and 2000 total. So in conclusion, you're going to want a medium-based bulb. 3000 Kelvin is my recommendation for the right level of relaxing warmth, and you want your total lumen output to be between 1000 and 2000 lumens. For more tips, please go to hunterfan.com.